Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about Scentbird and Scentbox. They are two different subscriptions that you can get where they send you perfume samples every month, and they do sell the full size on their website, so you can go and get the full size if that's what you want. For me, I just keep the subscription coming so I can, sample a bunch of them. The samples are really good size, so I'm going to go ahead and show them to you. So first I'm going to do kind of a thumbnail, I think. So yeah, let's start here. Can you see that scent box? This is Scentbird. This one's Scentbox. All right, I don't know if that's going to be a good thumbnail. But the first thing I want to show you is, let's start with Scentbird. I've been subscribed to them for a while now. So I've gotten a lot of different scents from them, and a couple I think that I've given away already. And I'm going to show you how it is pretty much mailed to you. So the first time you get it, you will get, and I guess a perfume atomizer. Is that what it's called? A thing to put your perfume samples in. Okay, a case, whatever. But this is the one from Scentbird, and this is their case. And then when you get the perfumes, they say the name of the perfume on the actual bottle there. And so I've got a lot of them. I've got all these that I've gotten from Scentbird. And I really like the subscription. You just put it back in here like so. Very easy to switch out the perfumes. The only thing is when you do get a subscription to Scentbird, you don't get one of these cases with every perfume bottle. All you get is the perfume bottles, and then you just switch out. So, that's kind of something that bothers me, I guess. You can buy the Scentbird perfume containers separately on their website. They have all sorts of different colors, so you don't have to just get this gray one. You can order different ones, but I don't know. Now, for about the same price, which is about roughly between $16 and $18 a month, you can also get Scentbox. This is the way my first Scentbox came packaged. I'm not sure if they're all going to come packaged this way. This is all I know because this is my first one. So when it came in a very nice box, a little bit different from Scentbird. So Scentbox came in a nice little box, and when you open it up, whoops, it tells you that you can have free exchanges. I don't know, one free exchange shipment per month. So I guess if you get your monthly perfume, it doesn't smell good, you don't like it, you could request an exchange. Don't know how that works. I'm assuming it's free to ship it back and free to ship a new one to you. And so I guess it says now with Scentbox, free exchanges. Now, this is a coupon where you can save on the full-size bottles if I wanted to order a full-size bottle of the perfume. And this is the way it is packaged. So their little perfume cases are slightly different from the ones at Scentbird. So this is Scentbird, this is Scentbox. So they're slightly different. Now, years ago, I had subscribed to Scentbird. Years ago. And this is the way they used to come. So they're very similar to the way Scentbox is. I like the old Scentbird things better. I really do. It's easier. You just twist it up, twist it down, take it out, put it in. And I like it a lot better than the new thing that Scentbird is doing. I'm trying to get bird and box correct because I don't want to go confusing everybody. But this is Scentbird, this is Scentbox. I've noticed differences in their websites as well. I use an iPad solely. an iPad. I do not use a computer. I do not have a laptop computer. We have a very old Mac computer, which is downstairs, which is a dinosaur that nobody uses. So I only use my iPad. And because of that, you know, certain websites are not really that compatible with a iPad. Scentbird is compatible with my iPad. Very compatible. Very easy to get around. It looks very appealing. It looks very nice. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of show you. This is Scentbird. And I'm going to show you what Scentbox looks like. This one is Scentbox. So the websites, you know, I just have a problem figuring out the Scentbox websites because if you see up here, it says home fragrance, bath and body, fine fragrance, and I'm on Scentbox right now. So this is what my queue looks like in Scentbox. But what I have found, it's just not as eye-catching and appealing, I think, as Scentbird. Or maybe it's because I'm more familiar with Scentbird. But when I look at this, I mean, I can't seem to figure out how to just do a search for sweet or fruity. You know, I can filter by brand and filter by notes, and that's it. So I can't say, you know, I want just floral, or I can't say I want just fruity. It just seems it's a little harder for me to navigate on Scentbox. On the other hand, Scentbird is like really different. And I think it's more, you know, it's easier to read on my iPad. You know, they do have all sorts of different things that you can get as well, other than just perfumes. On both websites, you can get things other than just perfumes, by the way. So let me go ahead and Scentbird, you can get, let's see, they have, I'm going to tell you if I can find it. I believe they have like a candle subscription. Let me go ahead and look at my subscriptions. Add more to your subscription. You can add a car scent. You can get monthly candles. You can get an atomizer case every month if you wanted a different one every month, but that is going to be at a different higher charge. So it's not going to come in, like, I just pay for the bare minimum, and this is what I get. Actually, this is what I get, because you don't get this case. All right. Now, so they have a subscription where you can get a different case every month with it. You can add a 1.5 milliliter sample duo with your subscription. Add a car scent, like I just said. Get monthly candles. So they do have different things that you could get with Scentbird. Scentbox, it says you can double your scent pleasure, so you can get 2 choices a month, and that is a higher price. Also, I've noticed with Scentbox that they have different perfumes that you cannot get unless you upgrade to a, I guess they call it a premium subscription. I'm not really sure, but like I can't like get samples of these 2 perfumes here unless I upgrade to a different subscription, which is going to cost more. Now, I have not noticed that in Scentbird. Scentbird, I've been able just to get anything I want. There are some perfumes on Scentbird that I would have to pay like an extra fee or whatever, but very seldom do I ever select those. And if I do select them, I know I've selected one before in the past, it was like $5 more. So, differences. Oh, and Scentbox, you could also get different things in Scentbox too, not just fragrances, because they also have, let's see, I'm trying to find out. Sorry, I should have written it all down, but I didn't. But they do have different things. All I'm seeing is the fragrances, but I think they do have, let me just see here. 'Cause I thought they had candles. I thought they had, yeah, they have Bath and Body. They have the fragrance. They have wellness. What's in their wellness? I don't know. Wellness, aromatherapy, and CBD products. They have fine fragrance, which obviously I can't get, right? I don't know. I don't understand it. You know, there's a lot. If I scroll down, this is again Scentbox. If I'm scrolling, all these that are black, I can't even get those, even if I wanted them, unless I upgrade my subscription. Look at all those. They're just not, I can't get them. And yeah, I don't like that about Scentbox. I just don't. I mean, there's so many that I can't get, even if I wanted to try them, unless I upgrade. I don't think that is, I mean, but Scentbox has been around, I'm sure, for a very, very, very long time, so they know what they're doing. But for me, it's a little inconvenient. I have to like just keep scrolling down, down, down until I can find something in red. And then I have to push on it. I have to see if I like the notes on it. If it's something that I would like. I mean, I don't know. So I guess what I'm trying to say in this video is seeing both of the websites and the products side by side. Scentbox, so far, since I've only gotten one, it's come packaged nicely. I believe with Scentbox, you get an atomizer every month. That is my understanding, because I've seen other people unbox Scentbox. My understanding is you get one of these every month. And with Scentbox, where did I see the name of the perfume? Yeah, right here on the actual atomizer is the name of the perfume. So this is the Kate Spade New York on there. That's what is in here. So again, it is my belief that every month you get a new atomizer with your perfume. So that's nice. I like that about Scentbox. Scentbird, I mean, this is slightly annoying. I mean, I have to say it's not very attractive to look at, and it's the same price. But I think I have access to more perfumes on Scentbird. I think I just have access to more. The website's easier for me to use on my iPad. So I guess I was going to kind of see which one I wanted to keep and which one I wanted to cancel, because I'm not keeping them both. That's for sure. I can't, I mean, I'm not going to pay, you know, $18 a month per subscription. You know, that's like close to $40 a month on just perfume samples. You know what I mean? If you call this a sample, I call it, I mean, it's much more than a sample for me. This is going to last a long time. But still, I don't think I want to spend, you know, $40. Is this the Scentbird? I'm sorry. Yeah, that's the Scentbird. This is the Scentbox. Sorry. I kind of don't want to spend $40 on just perfume a month. You know what I mean? So I need to decide whether I want to get Scentbox or Scentbird. And I mean, just seeing the difference in the quality, this is easier on the eyes, but the website is not. This is kind of like bland. And yeah, I could buy more atomizers. I can buy more. I think that's how to say that word, you guys, atomizer. If I'm saying it wrong, I apologize. I know I say wrong words all the time, and I know that about me. So, you know, but anyway, so I could get a different color, but I have to pay for it. And I don't want to pay for it. I don't think I should have to pay for it. This is really pretty from Scentbox. So I don't know. What do you guys think? What are your guys' thoughts? You know, you don't have to get perfume. You can get other things on both of their websites. There's other things available. So I do have a, on Scentbird, I can give away 2 free scents to people. So if you are interested in getting a free sample, or, you know, a free scent for Scentbird, that would be this one, just email me, or email me or send me an Instagram. I need your email, and I do it on my end. I put it in you know, my referral through email, and I'll email, or Scentbird will email. I don't know how it works because I haven't done it yet, but I can give 2 people a free scent. Scentbox, I do have a referral link, and I will put it in my description box as well. But like I said, I'm not keeping both these subscriptions. I might for another month, because I'm curious to see if it's going to come in a different atomizer and what it's going to look like for the next one. For Scentbox, I'm curious. I mean, the packaging was very nice, I have to say. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts on what would you do? What do you think I should do? Which one would you go for? But anyway, I do have a referral link for Scentbox and Scentbird. I also have, you know, 2 free fragrances that I can send to 2 people. So if you are interested, email me your email address so I can go ahead and get that sent to you somehow. I don't really know how it works. I think Scentbird contacts you. And yes, it's a free scent. You probably have to sign up for the subscription, but just get your free scent and cancel. I mean, you know, if that's the way you want to do it, it's up to you, you know, if you want to do it. But anyway, everybody, that is kind of like my thoughts on the differences between the 2 subscriptions. Again, they're about the same price, so I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment down below. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.